I want you to picture this for a second. Stacks of cash on your desk, freedom to travel wherever you want, walking down the beach with a beautiful woman, and never having to worry about money again. That's the dream millions of people are chasing with crypto. Get rich quick, retire early, and live the lifestyle everyone wishes that they had.
And hey, I get it, it's exciting. The thought that one investment can change your life forever overnight, it hooks us all. But here's the real question. Can you actually get there just jumping into crypto? Or is the dream a little bit different than reality? Yes, there are stories where people got in early and made life-changing money. We've all heard about that person who bought Bitcoin at just a few dollars and is now a multi-millionaire.
But for every single one of those stories, there is 1,000 people who lost money. Why? Because crypto isn't just a rocket ship that's going to continuously go up. It is volatile. One day your portfolio looks amazing, and the next day you could be completely cut in half. But then you have the dark side of crypto. The scams, the rug pulls, the hacks, entire projects disappearing overnight. People throw money into hype coins only to watch it crash and burn the next day. The truth is, most people don't get rich quick. Most people get wrecked quick, and that's the one thing no one wants to talk to you about when they're trying to sell you the dream. So yes, crypto can change your life, but not if you're going to treat it like a lottery ticket. The people who win long-term treat this like an actual investment, not like a gamble. They use cold storage wallets to protect their digital assets, and they dollar cost average in slowly over time. Most importantly, they learn and study exactly what they're going to hold before they click buy. That's going to be the difference between being another crash and burn story in cryptocurrency or actually building life-changing wealth. So yeah, crypto can give you freedom. It can give you options, and it can open a bunch of doors that a lot of people never even knew existed, but only if you're going to play it smart. So don't chase the hype. Don't fall into the get rich quick scheme. Build your knowledge, build your discipline, and think long-term when you're investing in cryptocurrency. If Crypto Explained Simply is something that interests you, hit subscribe and join me. This is just going to be the beginning, guys.